Welcome to Univ Labs. We specialize in surgical endovision, AI-driven collaborative surgical solutions, and urology fluid management. Headquartered in Gurugram, with state-of-the-art R&D facilities in Germany and France also. Founded by Mr. Sunil Kumar Singh to pioneer endoscopy equipment and redefine healthcare through innovation and excellence. Univ Labs combines the expertise of engineers and surgeons with experience from leading global companies to deliver cutting-edge, ISO-certified products. Our mission is to empower surgeons with world-class technology, revolutionizing patient care worldwide. A surgeon's biggest challenge? Subpar visualization during endoscopic and laparoscopic procedures, in a field where precision is non-negotiable. Poor imaging compromises outcomes and increases the procedure times. Introducing 4K Endovision Surgical Suite, the gold standard in surgical imaging. How Univ Labs delivers the true 4K surgical imaging? Univ Labs has perfected the synergy of optical, imaging and color technologies to bring surgeons unparalleled precision and clarity in every procedure. True 4K surgical imaging is a result of seamless synergy of precision optics, a 4K camera unit, and crystal clear 4K monitor with advanced color gamut BT 2020. At Univ Labs, every element is meticulously designed to bring true 4K technology to your fingertips, leading to shorter procedure times, reduced eye strain, improved accuracy, and superior patient outcomes. Univ Labs 4K ICG Surgical Suite is a game changer in surgical excellence. Let's hear from our surgeons using the Univ Labs 4K system.
One thing I would like to say that the vision is excellent and the precision, the technologies, they are wonderful.
You know, sometimes when you get an HD or a 4K, what happens is the corner screen goes off. But in this system, I see all the four corners, all the quadrants are nice, clear, crisp, sharp image. It really helps me better with my surgeries.
With Univ Labs, you are not just investing in technology, you are investing in better care, better outcomes, and a brighter future for your patients. Univ Labs, empowering surgeons, transforming healthcare. Experience true 4K. Experience Univ Labs.